Ever been caught flat-footed, staring at your empty bank account and a looming purchase? You know, that sinking feeling when you realize you're about to overdraft? Well, if you're a Chime user, you've probably heard of SpotMe. But is it truly automatic? Let's dive in. Now, SpotMe sounds like a financial superhero, right? Overdraft protection without the hefty fees? It's tempting to think it's a magic wand you wave, and voila, your balance is magically topped up. But is it really that simple? Let's break it down. Chime does a pretty good job of explaining the basics. You need a qualifying direct deposit, and once you're enrolled, SpotMe can cover overdrafts up to a certain limit. Simple enough, right? But here's where things get a bit nuanced. First off, that qualifying direct deposit isn't just any old deposit. It needs to be a certain amount, regularly scheduled. So, if you're living off freelance gigs or irregular income, you might not qualify. Then there's the SpotMe limit. It's not a fixed amount. Chime decides based on factors like your account history, deposit amounts, and spending habits. So, while some people might enjoy a generous limit, others might find it pretty restrictive. And here's the kicker, SpotMe isn't always instant. Sure, it can cover overdrafts for those little emergencies, but if you're trying to make a big purchase, you might find yourself declined. Chime needs to verify the funds, and that can take time. So, is Chime SpotMe automatic? Kind of. It's automatic in the sense that it kicks in when you overdraw, but it's not guaranteed, and the amount isn't fixed. It's more like a safety net with some conditions. Now, don't get me wrong, SpotMe is a valuable tool. It can save you from those dreaded overdraft fees. But it's essential to understand how it works to avoid any surprises. So, while SpotMe can be a lifesaver, it's not a magic money tree. It's a financial tool that can be helpful when used wisely. Remember, the best way to avoid financial stress is to budget and save, but SpotMe can be a handy backup plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.